Look at the one underneath the one just passed out drinking upside
Yeah, and this one's standing here on the top of him wrestling. He's wrestling.
He's using her as a stool.
Yeah. Look at he's using this one. He's climbing over this and still milking the teat at the same time. She ain't playing.
She's all standing on her.
Yeah. Standing over like a bear, drinking.
There goes the falling behind her. Watch.
Yeah, you gonna learn about getting over there. Look, look. And she does no trying to oblige him.
Nope, she doesn't care.
She probably wouldn't feed if we didn't have to. And that right there, the cleaning them, you know why she stimulates them so much? Because she had to get in trouble over it.
Yeah, because she knows she gets nagged over it.
Yeah.
She has to do something to still stay in here. Bare minimum, that's what. No, she all do the fucking bare minimum.
Hey, but she just tells, that's what tells me she's so smart. She's smart, she figured that shit out immediately. This little one over here without the collar, this should be after, I think. Yeah. But that one then came back too.